74,000 developers have starred Unsloth, the first desktop app that runs and trains AI models, free, open source, and 100% local. This is Unsloth.ai on a phone. Chat with Kimi K3 or DeepSeek V4. Generate video with diffusion models and fine-tune on your own GPU at twice the speed with 70% less VRAM. By the end of this video, you'll also see the one command that makes Claude Code run on a model that never leaves your machine. If you remember Unsloth as the fine-tuning library with the sloth mascot, recalibrate. This is the app now, a native desktop client, TORE, not Electron bloat, where you load a model like Qwen 3.8 as a GGUF, chat with it, point it at your files for RAG, run deep research with private unlimited web search, and switch to a training tab when you want to make the model yours. Windows, Mac OS, Linux, even ARM64. And that Claude Code trick I mentioned? It's called Unsloth Start, and it's the best part. Hold that thought. The numbers put it among the biggest AI projects on GitHub. 74,286 stars, 6,713 forks, Apache 2.0 licensed, Python at the core. It started in November 2023 as a two-person fine-tuning library and has shipped relentlessly since. The latest beta landed 2 days ago with auto-compaction and LAN remote access. Nearly 1,400 open issues sounds heavy until you see the pace. Multiple pushes today alone. Unsloth is the Han brothers project. Daniel and Michael started it as a two-person operation, hand-deriving GPU kernels for faster training, and the Unsloth.ai org still runs lean. 11 public repos, one very famous green sloth. The engineering reputation was earned the hard way. Their optimization work is why the 2x faster claim survived years of public scrutiny. The scope is genuinely wide. Language models from Kimi K3 and Minimax H3 to DeepSeek V4 and Gemma 4. Image and video diffusion, including Flux. Text-to-speech, embeddings, multimodal. Hardware-wise, it runs on CPU, Apple Silicon, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and multi-GPU rigs. Serve everything through an OpenAI-compatible API or expose your machine securely over Cloudflare HTTPS and hit your home GPU from anywhere. Getting it is a download button or one shell line. The installer sets up the CLI and the app. Open it, pick a model from the built-in catalog, and it pulls the right quantization for your hardware. No CUDA archaeology, no Python environment surgery, and if you do want the code-level core library, it's the same repo, pip installable like it always was. That 3-tier structure is the quiet genius of the current design. Beginners never see a config file, researchers keep their notebooks, and both groups ride the same kernels underneath. Now the training half, because it's still the crown jewel. The headline claim, unchanged for years and battle-tested in public. Fine-tuned 2x faster with 70% less VRAM and no accuracy loss. Every modern technique is in the box. LoRA and QLoRA for efficient adapters. Full fine-tuning and pre-training when you have the metal. And the reinforcement learning stack. GRPO, DPO, plus FP8 training. When you're done, export straight to GGUF or FP8 and deploy. Data Recipes even builds training datasets out of your PDFs, CSVs, and Word files. The workflow that used to take a weekend of scripts, collect data, format it, tune, quantize, deploy, is now tabs in one application, and every step of it runs on hardware you own. A tour of the repository shows how the pieces fit. The Studio directory holds the web UI, Unsloth_CLI drives the agent integrations, and the core training library keeps its own tree with tests pushed hours ago. 2 days ago, the beta added auto-compaction and LAN remote access, so the app now manages long conversations and serves the whole house without any cloud relay. The README lays out the 3 ways in: desktop app if you want zero setup, Studio if you want it in a browser, Core if you want Python. Releases ship installers for every platform, ARM64 included. Stack it against the way most people fine-tune and serve today. The cloud route. Rent an A100 by the hour or pay per token. Upload your training data to someone else's infrastructure and hope the bill behaves. Unsloth's route. The GPU you already own, or honestly, the MacBook you already own. Your data never leaving the building. zero marginal cost per experiment, and the same OpenAI-compatible endpoint your tools already speak. Cloud still wins for frontier-scale models. Nobody is pre-training a trillion-parameter model on a desktop. But for the fine-tune a small model on your data workload that most teams actually have, the economics and the privacy argument both point the same direction now, and that's new. And here's the payoff. Unsloth Start wires coding agents to your local models with one command. Unsloth Start Claude. Claude Code boots, but the model behind it is the GGUF running on your machine. Same for Codex, Hermes, OpenClaw, and OpenCode. Even better, the sub-agent flag lets Claude Code keep its cloud model for the hard thinking and delegate to your local model as a sub-agent. Private, free, and offline capable exactly where that matters. Tool calling and code execution included, MCP supported. Think about what that setup means in practice. Sensitive repos where cloud completions are banned, flights in bad hotel Wi-Fi, or just burning 0 API credits while a local model grinds through the boring refactors. This is the feature that turns a local model from a toy into a teammate. Here's the claim as a picture. Take whatever VRAM a standard fine-tune of your model needs and call it 100. Unsloth's kernel work brings the same job down to roughly 30, with no accuracy loss, per their long-standing benchmark claim. That's the difference between renting a data center card and using the 16 gig card in your desktop. And it's the single number that made this project famous. It's also why the hardware support list matters so much. At 70% less VRAM, models that used to demand workstation cards fit on consumer GPUs, and consumer GPU models fit on laptops. Everything is at unsloth.ai/unsloth and unsloth.ai. Installers for every platform, the docs, the model catalog, and the free notebooks if you'd rather fine-tune in Colab first. It's Apache 2.0, so it goes wherever you need it, including work. If you own any GPU made in the last 5 years, or an M-series Mac, you have a local AI workbench waiting. The beta label is honest, the pace is fast, and the Discord is genuinely helpful. That's Unsloth, the project that keeps proving your own hardware is enough to run and train serious AI. If your GPU is about to get busier, subscribe to Prism Labs. New AI infrastructure gem every week.